Welcome to spot trading on Bybit and how to trade spot on Bybit. If you are new to this channel, pay detailed attention. I'm about to walk you on a tutorial guide on how you can actually trade comfortably using the Bybit exchange. Now, the first thing you need to do is to ensure that you have your USDT right here on your app. Now, if you do not have, just quickly go to assets. You're going to see transfer, you're going to see withdraw, deposit, convert. To purchase your USDT, come here on the app. You see a section here which says P2P trading. Click on P2P trading and then select a buyer and purchase your USDT directly from here. If you need a tutorial guide on how to actually buy USDT, the link is going to be in the description of this particular video. Now, spot trading. Spot trading is very essential because it gives you room to buy any asset at market price and sell at a future date. So, how do we actually trade on spot trading? This is very easy and simple. The first thing you need to do is come here on your assets, go to transfer, ensure that your money is not on funding. If your money is on funding, simply move it from funding to unified trading. Now, after doing that, ensure that the coin is on USDT actually. Ensure that it's on USDT. After doing that, simply go over to trade. At the bottom middle, you are going to see trade. Let me show you. You are going to see trade. At the bottom middle here, you will see trade. Now, when you see trade, click on it, and this will take you to the spot section. You can see we are on spot right now. Okay, we're on spot, and you can just come here, type any asset of your choice. Okay, let's say you want to buy this particular asset, and you want to buy this asset on spot, right? On spot, all you have to do is just drag this cursor, drag this cursor. Let's say we're buying at market price 25%. I'll click on buy COA, and it says order submitted. Now, if I want to check my asset that I've just bought, I'll go to assets, and if you see here, it will be reading. This is the COA I just bought. Now, let me sell it back to USDT. I'm going to click on sell now. There's buy, there's sell, there's buy, there's sell. So I'll click on sell, drag this because I'm selling 100% of what I just bought. Drag it to the ending. I'll click on sell. And automatically I have been able to place an order, and I have sold all my assets that I bought from COA. Now, if you want to actually trade and place a limit order, right? You want to place a limit order, all you have to do is come right here, put the limit price, let's say 0.008, just put the limit price like so, and then you allow your and automatically we'll be able to place a buy limit. So it's going to show under our orders. It will show as open order, and basically this is how you buy on spot. To show as open order right there. Now the next thing we want to actually understand, we can click on modify. We can change it, change the order price, and do everything we want to do. Now, after doing that, it's very simple. When price gets to this amount, this level we have placed, it will initiate a buy. Now, an order is you telling the exchange that, hey, look, I want to buy this asset, but not at the current market price. All right, this is the current market price. We are telling the exchange this is the current market price, but you're telling the exchange that you don't want to buy at that price. You want price to come lower first before you buy. And once you have this put in place, it's very easy and seamless to follow. Okay, so I'll cancel this now, and automatically it has been cancelled. So in the next video or subsequent videos, I'm going to actually show you how to trade futures on Bybit. Now, you can use the link in the description of this video to sign up an account on Bybit and get amazing bonuses while you make your deposits using my referral link. Okay, another link is going to be there, dropped there for you to reach me on WhatsApp and of course on Telegram. I'm going to see you in the next video. Stay good, stay fresh, keep doing what you're doing. Remember, this is crypto. Crypto is risky. Do not trade your entire money, but rather have a detailed and well-organized portfolio that you use for your trading. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great time. This is MJ Crypto.